Here we are at Fairgrounds Square Mall to put the D Mall in demolishing. I had last been to this mall in April of 2018. My last trip was only a few days before the interior of the mall closed for good. Now, 2 years later, in July 2020, I took another trip out there upon finding out that the demolition work had begun as far back as at least June. I not only wanted to see it for myself, but I also figured that this would be my own final farewell to Fairgrounds Square Mall. The Limerick Furniture, formerly the JC Penney, has already been completely demolished. Being as the fence around that area was open, I decided to help myself to one of the bricks. I'm of the belief and understanding that some of these things are going to stay there. These businesses like Boscov's, the Baja, not 100% sure on the AMC Theater. Well, there it is. That's the part I was talking about. Oh my god. Ace and Sal, you guys, oh, you're gonna love this. It takes me over an hour to drive from my house to this mall. Therefore, my visits here for the demolition work are going to be very few and far between. In fact, this might be the only time I even come out here to see the progress. The Super Shoes and Planet Fitness around the back are also staying. There's also a lab inside, down the corridor from Super Shoes, the corridor of which is sealed off that goes to the rest of the mall. The middle of the interior has been gutted. That includes a large area with a lot of the big skylights that were very iconic of this mall, along with the art panels and neons that used to go around the top of the support columns. Yes, I had forgotten just how bad this parking lot was. I would suspect it has not been paved in at least 20 years. The most divots per square foot parking lot ever. Ugh. The divots left by car tires makes this parking lot feel like an off-road excursion. I hope you enjoyed this update video. I didn't want to make it too long, but I do have a lot more video and a lot more photos than actually made it into this video. I know I continue to promise the Phillipsburg Mall video, and that is going to be coming shortly. I've just been waiting for the final word on Phillipsburg Mall, including perhaps when the demolition is going to begin. I would also like to know what the fate of the Kohl's is going to be, and whether there's going to be more retail built around that Kohl's, or if the rumors are true and it's going to be turned into a warehouse. For additional demolition videos, be sure to visit Philly Blast on YouTube or www.phillyblast.com.